Did you know that the Eiffel Tower hides a dark secret? One that has remained undiscovered for decades. Stick around, and you won't believe what's lurking inside this famous landmark. The Eiffel Tower, one of the most visited monuments in the world, is not just an architectural marvel. Hidden within its structure is a secret apartment built by Gustave Eiffel himself. But here's where it gets eerie. Many workers and visitors have claimed to hear whispers and strange noises coming from this hidden room. Some even say the ghost of Eiffel roams the tower at night. And here's a fact that will shock you. In 1912, a man named Franz Reichelt attempted to test his homemade parachute by jumping off the Eiffel Tower. It didn't end well. Since then, people claim to see a shadowy figure standing at the spot where he fell. But did you know that in some cultures, towers are believed to be gateways to the spirit world? Many Asian and European beliefs state that structures reaching toward the sky serve as bridges between the living and the dead. Could the Eiffel Tower be one of them? Now here's the big question. Would you dare visit the Eiffel Tower alone at night? Let me know in the comments. If you love mind-blowing facts like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to keep the mysteries coming. See you in the next one.